Okay, hey Jimbo, this is Tom from Rotormast, and this is your V22, and I wanted to go over some of the basic operations, flying it, and then I'll go over taking it apart so you can kind of do that in reverse order to get it back together again. Your transmitter has been all programmed. It just flies exactly like a model helicopter. You've got your throttle over here, rudder, elevator and aileron over here. This is your gyro hold switch. I always fly in hold mode. I only program mode there somehow. I only use the rate mode at the very beginning when I'm moving the aircraft around and getting it ready to fly. But as soon as I start flying, I go into hold mode, rate mode. I mean gyro hold mode, not to be confused with throttle hold mode. This is your throttle hold. So when the throttle hold is selected, it just turns your throttles off automatically. This is standard helicopter stuff. If you're unsure about this, just look up some helicopter websites and understand how they hook up the throttles. But you've got your throttle stick over here, which runs the throttles at a constant speed because the speed control is running governor mode. So to turn the throttles off, just like in a model helicopter, you need to use this switch to turn them off, at least when you're in stunt 2 mode. This is your stunt switch. You have a normal, stunt 1, and stunt 2, just like a normal model helicopter. In normal, the throttles are always turned off, so there's nothing you can do to turn the throttles on. I just use that to check things out and set it up and everything. In stunt 1 mode, the throttles are off when the stick's fully back, but they come on and go up to their operating RPM at quarter stick, and they stay at operating RPM the entire time, and the only time they turn off is when you're back at 0 stick. So if you're flying below head height and you're unsure about things, it's a good way to be, so if you get into trouble, you can just shut it down. Now, if you're flying above head height, you need to be flying in stunt 2 mode. Stunt 2, the throttles are always on no matter where the stick is. And the only way to turn them off, like I said, is with your throttle hold switch, which is up here. Your gear is set here. I always set my transmitter so everything's forward when you turn it on. So this will be gear down, and then this is gear up. And your cargo door is set up on this gyro switch. So if you double click this, the cargo door will cycle. So you double click it, the cargo door will come open, double click it again, the cargo door will go closed. Double click it, open, closed. So this is your gyro switch, so it doubles as the cargo door switch because you didn't have an extra channel to run a separate cargo door channel. So when you get ready to turn that video off and start